Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and taking good care of yourselves. Today, I'm super excited to share something that so many of you have been asking for. An easy, natural lip care routine that you can do right at home with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. If you are new here, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me and helps me bring more helpful content to you every week. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today's video is all about how to take care of your lips naturally at home. Our lips are one of the most delicate parts of our face, and they often get neglected in our daily skincare routines. But with just a little bit of effort, you can keep your lips looking soft, smooth, and naturally pink. If your lips are dry, dark, or chapped, don't worry. This simple routine will help you get soft, smooth, and pink lips naturally. Whether you're dealing with harsh weather, dehydration, or just want to enhance your natural beauty, these tips are for you. So let's get started. The first step is exfoliation. Exfoliation is super important because it removes dead skin cells that can make your lips look dull and flaky. By gently exfoliating, you reveal the fresh, healthy skin underneath, making your lips instantly smoother and more vibrant. Plus, exfoliated lips absorb moisture better, so your lip balms and oils will work more effectively. For a do-it-yourself lip scrub, you only need 3 simple ingredients: 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a few drops of coconut oil. Sugar acts as a gentle exfoliant. Honey is a natural humectant that draws moisture into your lips, and coconut oil nourishes and softens. Mix these ingredients together in a small bowl until you get a grainy paste. Then, using your fingertip, gently rub the scrub onto your lips in circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes. Be gentle. Your lips are sensitive, so there's no need to press hard. After exfoliating, rinse your lips with normal water and pat them dry with a soft towel. You should do this exfoliation only 2 to 3 times a week. Over-exfoliating can actually make your lips more sensitive and dry, so it's important to give your lips time to heal and regenerate between scrubs. You can set a reminder on your phone or mark it on your calendar to help you remember. After exfoliation, it's absolutely essential to moisturize your lips. Exfoliating can leave your lips a little vulnerable, so locking in moisture right away helps protect and heal them. Moisturizing also keeps your lips looking plump and healthy throughout the day. You can use a lip balm with sun protection factor, SPF, during the day to shield your lips from harmful UV rays, which can cause darkening and premature aging. At night, switch to something more nourishing like coconut oil, almond oil, or even a little bit of ghee. These natural oils are packed with vitamins and fatty acids that deeply hydrate and repair your lips while you sleep. Make it a habit to apply lip balm 3 to 4 times daily, especially after eating or drinking, and whenever your lips feel dry. Consistency is key. Regular moisturizing will help maintain the softness and natural color of your lips. Before going to bed, always clean your lips to remove any makeup, food particles, or dirt. Then, apply a thick layer of lip balm or ghee and leave it on overnight. This overnight treatment gives your lips plenty of time to absorb all the nourishing ingredients, so you wake up with soft, supple lips in the morning. In the morning, you'll notice a big difference. Your lips will feel softer, look healthier, and have a natural pink glow. If you make this routine a part of your daily self-care, you'll see long-lasting results in just a few weeks. Now, let's talk about some bonus tips for getting and maintaining pink lips. These are small changes you can make in your daily life that will have a big impact on the health and appearance of your lips. First, drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water every day. Hydration is crucial for healthy skin, including your lips. When your body is well hydrated, your lips are less likely to become dry and chapped. Carry a water bottle with you and take small sips throughout the day. Another amazing tip is to apply beetroot juice to your lips 2 to 3 times a week. Beetroot is a natural pigment that gives your lips a beautiful pink tint, and it's packed with antioxidants that nourish your skin. Just dab a little beetroot juice onto your lips with a cotton swab, leave it on for 10-15 minutes, and then rinse off. You'll love the natural rosy color it gives. You can also use aloe vera gel at night. Aloe vera is soothing, healing, and helps repair any cracks or dryness. Just apply a thin layer before bed and let it work its magic overnight. And here's a very important tip. Avoid licking your lips. Saliva actually dries out your lips even more. Also, avoid smoking, as it can darken your lips and damage the delicate skin. Try to use a straw when drinking cold or acidic beverages, as these can irritate your lips. Eating a healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables also helps keep your lips and skin glowing from the inside out. Foods high in vitamins A, C, and E are especially good for skin health. Don't forget to protect your lips from the sun. Just like the rest of your skin, your lips can get sunburned. Use a lip balm with SPF whenever you go outside, and consider wearing a wide-brimmed hat for extra protection. If you wear lipstick or lip tint, always remove it gently at the end of the day. Use a mild makeup remover or a little bit of coconut oil to dissolve the color, then follow up with your regular lip care routine. This prevents staining and keeps your lips healthy. So friends, this was my simple yet effective lip care routine for soft and pink lips. Remember, taking care of your lips doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With just a few natural ingredients and some consistency, you can achieve beautiful, healthy lips at home. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your feedback and support inspire me to keep creating more helpful beauty and self-care content for you all. Comment below and let me know what skincare video you want to see next. I love reading your suggestions and always try to make videos based on your requests. If you have any questions about lip care or want to share your own tips, feel free to write them in the comments too. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me today. Take care of your lips, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.